Welcome back to Mama's Meal Mastery. Today we're making a healthy snack that's both crispy and delicious. Carrot fries with a Greek yogurt chive dip. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Grab 2 carrots and cut them into fry shapes. In a large bowl, toss the carrot fries with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Spread them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper in a single layer. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through. While the fries are baking, let's whip up the dip. In a small bowl, mix 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Pop the dip in the fridge until the fries are ready. Once your carrot fries are golden and crispy, serve them with the refreshing yogurt dip. If you love quick, healthy snacks, hit that like button and follow us for more easy recipes.